Ready to unlock the secrets to running a wildly successful Instagram theme page on autopilot? First, content is king, so plan your posts in advance. Use tools like Later or Buffer. These let you schedule weeks worth of visually appealing content that aligns perfectly with your theme. Imagine a cooking theme page. You can schedule recipes or food images in advance. Connect to your Instagram account, upload your photos or videos, write engaging captions with relevant hashtags, and choose your optimal posting times. Most scheduling software have analytic features that help determine the optimal posting times. Press schedule for stress-free, consistent posting. Next, ramp up engagement with Autointeraction Tools. These tools will automatically like and comment on posts related to your niche, attracting targeted followers. Set specific hashtags and target accounts. Be sure to use spin tags with your comments to avoid violating any community standards. Hashtags are crucial. Research relevant and trending hashtags within your niche using tools like Hashtagify or Rigtag. Incorporate a mix of broad and specific hashtags in your captions to maximize your reach. Finally, track your progress using Instagram's built-in analytics. Monitor your follower growth, engagement rates, and identify your best performing content. This data will help you refine your strategy and optimize your automation efforts. That way you can make sure your theme page is a success. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram growth hacks.